I'm gonna give you guys 5 ways you can slash that power bill today. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah, and today I'm gonna give you guys a couple tips on how you can reduce your hydro bill starting now. Now, whatever your reason may be for wanting to reduce your electricity bill, maybe you're just trying to cut back on costs, maybe you're trying to get out of debt, or maybe you just want to be more environmentally friendly. Whatever the reason is, I've got a couple great tips for you. Tip number 1, switch service providers. A lot of people don't think about this, but there are other options for service providers. And oftentimes when you shop around, you'll find that someone might be a couple bucks cheaper. Hey, I want cheaper hydro. What can you offer me? Tip number 2, turn off lights when you leave a room. A lot of people just leave all the lights in their house on, and it does use up a significant amount of energy. So when you leave a room, turn off the light. Tip number 3, unplug unnecessary electronics. You don't really think about it, but everything that you've got plugged in is actually using power, even if it's not on. It's called ghost energy or something. Anyways, unplug those unused devices. Tip number 4, hang your laundry to dry. Your dryer uses up so much power, and there's nothing like fresh, clean sheets off the line. If you don't have a clothesline or you're not handy and can't install one, you can always get a clothes drying rack that you could just set up easily in your house. Tip number 5, eat more raw foods. Not only is this so much healthier for you, but your oven draws a ton of power. So if you eat more fruits and salads and just raw foods in general, you can also reduce your hydro bill. Okay, so those are my 5 wonderful tips for reducing your hydro bill that you can start using right now. If you got value out of this video, guys, please do give it a thumbs up. If you have some suggestions on how you can reduce everyone's electricity bills, please leave those in the comments below. Thanks again for joining me, guys. I really appreciate you stopping by, and I hope you have a very fantastic day.